Alright, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hadif bin Nasaruddin and my metric number is 297386. So now I will present about the lab task, which is we used to do the random user profile. So to be the lecturer, Mr. Hanis. Okay, so let's get started. So I created 4 files, which is main.dat, main screen.dat, splash screen.dat, and user service.dat. Okay, so we go to the overview. So main.dat, where all the main apps will, all the main function, it start from this, contain the main app, and then we go to the, after that, it will push to the splash screen. So the splash screen, so this is the design scaffold for the splash screen. I combine the color with the gradient, blue and pink, so it will be more nice and friendly. Then it got the user, the icon person for the in the splash screen. I will include also the welcome to random user profile, and with the circular progress indicator. Okay, alright, so that is for the splash screen, and then it will push like this. The navigator, we used to navigator dot push replacement, and the target is for the main screen. It is only, the splash screen is only duration for 5 seconds, and then we go to the main screen. Okay, so we look at the main screen. So in the main screen, there is how the apps will be work. So we have all these kind with stateful widget, init state, and then we used to fetch user with asynchronous programming like this. And then this is the scaffold for the design for the main screen, the app bar, and then I include the circular progress indicator for every change of for the random user profile, and it contain the name and another information. So this is user service where we contain all the user random profile at this HTTP. So I also installed in the pubspec YAML HTTP with the latest version. Okay, so we will look to the apps that have been developed. Alright, so now let's get started the apps in the AVD. So we will view the output from the result what I have been developed. So we restart it first. It take time. Okay, so this is the splash screen with the movable icon screen. So and then we have the circular progress while we waiting for the user random profile. So yeah, this is the main page for the random user profile, and then we got the info here, and we have the load another user button. So we just click it, and the circular progress indicating this function there while we wait to the next random user profile, and then yes, the random user profile pop out the new another user. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.